Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to dive into Clickbank Hoplinks, which are a crucial part of the affiliate marketing process. I'll walk you through how to generate hoplinks for the products you want to promote. Whether you're a new affiliate to marketing or looking to brush up on the basics, this video is for you. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright, so I suggest you go here at support.clickbank.com. So we will discuss an overview of what hoplinks are. So basically, hoplink is a referral tracking URL, is a referral URL that links potential customers to sellers' landing page. Alright, and then it confirms Clickbank which affiliate directed the traffic for commission purposes. Okay, so if, for example, if the customer buys the product within 60 days of clicking on the hop link, the affiliate who referred the customer receives credit and commissions for the sale, right? So it's easy. And affiliates can create a hop link in a couple of ways. Additionally, affiliates sometimes receive hop links from sellers that are unencrypted, but we encourage affiliates to encrypt these using the encode feature in the hoplink tools. All right, affiliates can also add tracking IDs or TIDs or additional parameters to the hoplink. These can help affiliates track traffic sources or pass information to sellers page. All right, so what's in a hoplink? Basically, we have discussed this in a separate video, so you might want to check on our past content. Now, but in summary, hoplinks contain both the account name, the affiliate ID of the affiliate who is referring to the customer, and of the seller who is being promoted. And optionally, an affiliate may use or include a tracking ID, which is what we mentioned earlier as TID, right? Hoplinks may be in format where the affiliate and seller account nicknames are shown, or they can be encrypted to hide the affiliate and the seller account nicknames. Whether encrypted or readable, hoplinks correctly track the affiliate that referred the sale and ensure commission credit. But however, encrypted hoplinks provide protection from bad actors who may want to plagiarize ad content. Alright? Okay, so why are hoplinks encrypted by default? So at Clickbank, they value the privacy, security, and intellectual property of their affiliate. So in an effort to protect affiliate privacy and combat spy tools that specifically target affiliate IDs, they offer affiliate ID encryption and a suite of tools to encode and decode hoplinks. Now, getting a hoplink through a marketplace listing. So first, you gotta go and log into your Clickbank account right here. Then step 2, access the the Clickbank marketplace, which is in the left part of the dashboard. After clicking that, you're gonna go here in marketplace right here on the very top, find an offer you want to promote and click the promote button right here. Okay, that one. And after clicking the promote button, enter your affiliate account nickname and a tracking ID TID, which is optional but encouraged for analytics. Now you click create hoplink right here. Say that the nickname account is Easy Earl, tracking ID is Test. After that, you wanted to create a hoplink. Click copy to copy the encrypted hoplink right here. It's very easy to follow, right? Test your hoplink to ensure that it works by using the decoder in the hoplink tool suite, all right? And use this hoplink in your promotional materials, including blogs, forums, and social media. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.